Today we will be discussing about the concept of declaring variables. You already know in the C language you have learned about how to declare the variable. So here a keyword called as var is being used to declare the variables. Any kind of variable it may be, it is using the keyword var to declare any of the variables. You can see the examples here. Var counter is there, index is there, like pi is there, quadri lb is there, then stop flag is equal to true. So all those variables which are of different kinds, it may be float, it may be int, it may be your boolean types, or it may be string types, all are said to be mentioned through the keyword that is var. Okay, so then you have the numeric operators. Already you know which are the numeric operators which are used in different kinds of languages. So here the numeric operators which are being used is for plus, addition, minus, subtraction, crosses for multiplication, division, slash, then negation, plus and minus, then increment, decrement, minus, plus. All these are being used. So example is being here. For incrementing you use plus a, and post increment, pre increment is plus a, afterwards you want to increment it as a plus. So there are rules and regulations which are being followed in different aspects. Even the same rules are being followed here as you consider the precedence. So first precedence is given to the division, then multiplication, then you have addition, then you have subtraction. Like that the precedence is being followed here also in the JavaScript. Okay, so the operators which are used are plus, minus, unary, plus. Then you have the multiplication, the precedence associativity is from left to right. Here it is from left to right. Here also you have left to right. Multiplication, division, percentage, binary plus, binary minus to the left. That is being considered. Math object is one of the object which is used to represent the trigonometric aspects. You have sine, you have cos sign. Cos elements are being used. You are using the floor elements. You may be using the truncate, round off, maximum, minimum. All those are using the concept of math object. You use the keyword math and declare it. Okay. Then other types of representation, it may be using the is equal to, if it is said to be not a number, then it is said to be not a number NaN. If it is divide by 0, that is your trigonometric aspects. When infinity aspect is being considered, it is divide by 0, it will be considered a number which is not divided by the other number, then it is a division by 0 aspect is being used. And even it will be using the concepts of how the variables are declared in different types. One is either you declare in this way, var price 427, str price, then you have str price is equal to price string to string type. Like this, different types of representation in different ways being presented. So in the beginning you use the keyword var, then you declare the variable with the value it is being considered here. Then you have string price which is said to be having the underscore aspects, that also can be used. Representation of two aspects in a different way can be used in different language. And here also you use a concept called as concatenation. It's nothing but joining two elements. So how it is being done is using the plus symbol. Okay, so you can use any of the keyword like this, Divya and Gowda. Two are there, two elements are there. So I want to concatenate both of them, that is Divya and Gowda. You may use the keyword first here. First element is Divya plus Gowda, or you may use Divya plus Gowda. Like that, two elements can be strings, you can say, can be added through the help of a concatenate aspect. Here either you use the concat keyword or you may use the plus symbol to concatenate them. Okay, so this is the aspect which you have learned about how to declare the variables, which are arithmetic operators, their precedences, their representation, and the concatenation concept. Okay, thank you.